up, guys? I'm Blakemore from SummitGuitarSchool.com, and today I have another beginner rock guitar song lesson for you. All right, so today we are learning Seven Nation Army. Yes, cliche. Yes, you must learn it if you're a beginner. So I'm going to break it down in the easiest way possible. All right, a lot of my students learn this song because it gets you playing and it gets you doing some stuff with the recording, which is super important. So as soon as you get the song down and the parts down and you get them up to speed, I'd like you to play them with the recording so that you can have fun playing it, because it's more fun to play it with the recording and the drums and all that. It feels like you're playing with the band. And two, because it helps you keep in time and it gives you the same feel and teaches you the same feel those musicians are using when they're playing those instruments on that recording. So I'll break it down as simply as I possibly can, and yeah, let's get started. So let's take a look at the riff that we've got here. All right, so you're gonna go up. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible. I'm gonna try to make this the easiest version of this you can find on the internet. All right, so look, check it out. 7 on the 5th string, 7, 7, 10, 7, back to the index. So that's index, 7, 7, 10 with the pinky, back to 7 with the index, slide down to 5, 3, 2. I'm gonna do that again. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. You're walking it all the way down. We're doing it all on one string, which is a great way to learn a riff and a great way to kind of navigate through the fretboard. So 7 with your index, 7 to 10 with the pinky, back to 7 index, 5, 3, 2. All right, that goes over and over and over and over again until you get to this little power chord push. It just builds. All right, I know I need new strings. Believe me, I'm going to change them before the next video. So for that little bit that pushes, you're going to do a 2-finger power chord. All right, you're going to put your index at the 3rd fret 6th string and your 3rd finger at the 5th fret 5th string, and you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and only strumming those 2 strings. Then you shift up to the 5th fret 6th, and then the 7th fret 4th. I'm sorry, 6th fret 6th, 7th fret 5th. Woo! And then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, all right, so let's do that again. 3rd fret, 5th fret, just those 2 strings for the strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you jump up. This is the only other part of the song that we're gonna do, all right? I know they do a slide on the recording, but we're doing the easiest version we possibly can for all the beginners out there. All right, so we're going to go our index over the 9th fret, 3rd, 4th, and 2nd string. All right, this is kind of tricky. So you got to get your thumb back there to push up against it, all right? It kind of hurts a little bit when students first try this stuff. First try this song, I should say. So and you strum just those 3, 4, 3, and 2. Remember, our index is barring that right there. Some students like to do this. I'm telling you right now, that's more difficult because you got to move 3 fingers to get to where you're going. This, if you can get it down, it'll hurt for a little bit, but it's just building that left hand strength and giving you that muscle memory that you really need anyways. All right, so index over the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 9th fret. 9, 9, 12, same finger. 9, 7, 5, 4. You're going to do it again. 9, 9, 12, 9, 7. Now here's where it changes. 5, 7, 5, 4. Then you do that whole pattern again. 9, 9, 12, 9, 7, 5, 4, 9, 9, 12, 9, 7, 5, 7, 5, 4. And after that second time through that whole grouping, you go back to the G power chord, to the A power chord, and then back to your riff. So that can be a little tricky to go from this to this to this single note thing. So you'll have to practice that transition, just like you're going to have to practice going from G to A to get to the 1-finger thing, all right? Because you got to get it down and bar all 3 of those strings, okay? So literally, the verse and the intro, same thing here. The little push to the heavy rock instrumental, G, 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then you got this riff. Do that whole cycle twice, and then you go back and do another verse. You do the push, and the second time you get to that thing, you do it a total of 4 times, and then you go back song just ends. And you can end it with just an open E on the 6th string, or you can play this 1-finger E power chord, 2nd fret, 5th string, and you play the open 6th string and the 5th string together, just like that. So it'd be like.